Hi, this is Mary, and we're going to talk about optimizing your image. Even if you don't have Photoshop, you can still optimize your image with a program called pixlr.com/editor. And this is actually used on the internet. You just have to have a browser that you can use. You open up the file that you want to edit. So we have Bashful open up again, and we're going to edit the size of this file so that it will fit into our plan, which is 300 pixels wide. Right now this image is at 1816 pixels by 1740 pixels. So we're going to go up here to the very top, and the same as what we saw in Photoshop, there is an image tab. We're going to drop that down, and there's an image size also. We're going to open that up, and it's going to open up this dialog box. In this dialog box, we're going to make sure that we have the constrained proportions on because we don't want to skew the look or feel of this image. So we're going to just change it to 300 here. So we're going to highlight the 1816 and just type over the 300 that we want. And because it's constrained, the proportions, the height and the width are going to work together. I'm going to say OK, and then I'm going to come down here to change it to 100% so I can see exactly what my image looks like. It's looking really nice, looks just as good as it did when I was looking at it in Photoshop. So now what I'm going to do is do File, Save, and I'm going to change it to 300, Bashful 300, and I'm just going to put second in here because I have another one out on my desktop. So Bashful 300, and this is the second one I'm creating, but you can just do Bashful or whatever the name of your image is, 300, or whatever the pixel size you're creating. And then you can put it to a JPEG, or you can actually change it to a PNG, a bitmap, a TIFF, or a PDX. I recommend you do JPEGs or PNGs for the web. I recommend you change the quality from 80 to 100% because we've already optimized it to the size we want. We want it to be the best quality we can have it. With the size now, it's gone down to 126 kilobytes, which is awesome. We've really optimized this image and it's going to look really great on the web now. So I'm going to say OK. It's going to save it out to my desktop. And now I can use it in my WordPress pages or posts or galleries or wherever I want to use it because I've decided that 300 was the max width that I really needed. Thank you. Talk to you later.